We'll go with restore number 102. It's for Bruce. It's a full restore. It's a 4 horsepower Johnson 4W72S. I got it all rebuilt, cleaned, painted. Here's the lower cowling, the gear case, power head, the hood, the decals ready to go. There's the lower unit and the stern bracket, flywheel, prop. There's the paint I use. Vintage outboard paint, the green gold. There's the rewind starter, carb rebuilt, exhaust chamber, fuel pump, water tube, magneto, completely rebuilt. Steering handle, shift handle, all the parts, bolts cleaned, ready to put back together. Oh, I got one out of place. Gotta fix that. The fun part, now to put it back together. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time.